So here we have the Tineco Carpet One Cruiser. This is a smart cleaner. So first off, I'm a techie. As you can see right here, this carpet cleaner has its own mobile application that can be used for both Android and iOS. So you can find this app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in here and kind of go over some of these extra features that we have. So the button that's right here on the top, that is a self-cleaning option. There is a button right here on the back. This is for language select, Wi-Fi, and the audible feedback as far as for the volume. So the ring that's on that is for the dirt. You also have a different selection mode. So you can go to two different types of setting modes here. This is going to give you the ability to select through different features. Max mode. So you have max, auto mode, and auto. So auto is going to give you that auto detection of the saturation, the cleanliness, and the dirt that is on your carpet and upholstery. What's awesome about that is that you also have what's called a power heating mode. Now this thing is equipped to heat and dry. It detects the humidity as well. It gets up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit to give you that rapid quick dry. Now what's cool about this thing is that you have, again, that self-cleaning mode. So as you can see right over here, it comes with a tray. So that tray is designed to give you a self-auto cleaning for the rollers of this particular unit. Now, this is a dual filtration system. So I'm going to go ahead and power this guy off right here on the button on the top. Pop that down. We have filter number one, this guy right here. See that? We've got the main solution basket here. So it's required for 2 caps of the actual solution for the clean, and you fill it up to that primary line, and then this is where your dirty comes in, and you pull that container cover off there and pour it out. Comes with a slint cleaner solution. Now, one other option real quick here. This has got to be one of the coolest things right there on that wheel. See that blue button? Press this guy here, lift straight up. Simplicity and the ease of being able to clean without any harsh harassment, as I would call, difficulties. And best of all, when you're cleaning out the accessories, you've got the primary one right there. So that's so you can hook up your hose attachment for this guy over here. Plugs in real simple and easy. Attach it like so. And there we have it. It's fixed in, ready to rock and roll. And the hose on this, 2.5 meters. Extremely adjustable. You got your spray nozzle right there. And all these attachments and accessories come apart real easy for self-cleaning. That switch right there, that's an assist mode for the drive wheels. So this thing is going to auto detect when pushing forward and when pulling back. So this is designed to, as you're pushing it forward, it's going to automatically spray the solution down onto the carpet, the rug, and the floor. And once you start pulling back, it's going to stop. There is no need to press any buttons or make any modifications or adjustments because it's going to do it for you. That is slick. And as you guys can see behind me, I have a wine stain that was spilled on my rug. So I'm not real thrilled. But when I moved my table off of my rug, I realized it's a little on the dirty side, so it needs some attention. We're going to put this thing to use and see how effective it actually is. Powering on, auto mode. All right, so I got to empty out the dirty water. You guys can see that right there. It's pretty slushy. That was kind of gross. Let's go ahead and fill it back up. Place the appliance back on the tray. All right, this is going to sound crazy, guys, but this rug is starting to look fantastic. The last thing to show you is to turn this dryer mode on. That button right there, when we go to power this on.
Drying mode.
Let's go ahead and dry off the rug. All right, there we have it. Look at that. I had some pretty good red stains in there before. This is absolutely awesome. Works like a charm.